Hi friends, this video shows how to switch audio from Bluetooth speaker to TV speaker or from TV speaker to Bluetooth speaker. Go to settings, set settings icon from top right corner, go down, set remotes and accessories. Here you can see the connected Bluetooth speaker Stone 352, set it. See the first option, use for TV audio. If we enable this option, audio will play in the Bluetooth speaker. If you want to switch audio from that Bluetooth speaker to TV speaker, you can just turn off this option. So that way we can switch audio from Bluetooth speaker to TV speaker. So if you want to switch audio from TV speaker to Bluetooth speaker, you can just turn on this option. So this way we can switch audio. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.